A fraction is a number that represents a whole number that has been divided into equal parts. We have a top number, the numerator, and a bottom number, the denominator. For example, 1 by 2. Here, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction where the numerator is 1 and the denominator is a whole number. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 and 1 by 17. You can see in all three examples, numerator is 1. So these are called unit fractions. Second is proper fractions. Proper fractions refer to those fractions where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. You can see in all three examples, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 5 and 16 upon 18. In all three, numerator is smaller than the denominator. And in improper fraction are those fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 upon 5, 9 upon 7 and 11 upon 9. You can see in all three examples, numerator is greater than the denominator. So in proper fractions, numerator is smaller than the denominator, and in improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Next is like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 upon 13, 12 upon 13 and 35 upon 13. In all three examples, denominators are same. So these are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, fractions with different denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, 2 upon 3, 12 upon 17, 35 upon 19. You can check in all three examples, denominators are different. So these are called unlike fractions. Mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. For example, 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a fraction. So we can say a mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. What is equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value but have different numerators and denominators. Let us see what I mean. So, this actually represents 1 out of 2 equal parts. So, in terms of fraction, I can write 1 upon 2. Now, if I divide each part into 2 parts, there are total 4 parts. So, we can say this as 2 upon 4. And they both represent the same thing. These are called equivalent fractions.